Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first page that is going to pop up when you click onto Agent Gold. This is where you essentially connect and sign in with your YouTube account. So you can enter your email or you can connect with Google, and I generally use Google. So here we're going to be linking our YouTube account, and the reason why we do this is because Agent Gold is going to analyze our content and then give you specifically personalized and customized video ideas, titles, timestamps, everything customized to you. So click link YouTube. And then on this page, you click to select all and then go with continue. And boom, this is what is going to pop up. So this is the first page that welcomes you, the ideas page of Agent Gold AI the moment you sign in. Here we have your top videos, content your audience likes, as well as your recent videos. So let me go through each of them one by one. So for our top videos, Agent Gold analyzes the top videos on your channel, the videos that get the most views, and then gives you further video idea suggestions for those videos. Content your audience likes. Agent Gold essentially analyzes your audience and then gives you further video ideas that it thinks that your audience is going to like. And your recent videos, it's kind of obvious, it's essentially the last couple of videos you have made, and Agent Gold analyzes those videos and then gives you further video ideas similar to those videos. And what you can do is, as you can see, you can favorite these ideas so that you can essentially look back to them in the future. Also, you can choose an idea to explore further. Let's actually go with this one, crazy tricks to boost your discipline fast. The moment you hop in, it's a lot of things that are going on here. It's amazing. Now, these are 5 crazy tricks to boost your discipline fast. Let's say you want to make a video like this, but you don't want to make this exact same video. What you can do is you can look at all of these more video ideas, and boom, you have 5 more video ideas that you can make right here. Let's click into one of these ideas. Transform your routine, ultimate discipline tricks. And just like this, another idea lens opened up. Now, one of the ways we actually validate our video ideas as YouTubers is by looking up to YouTube and seeing similar titles and similar videos. And if those videos performed well, then our video has a better chance of performing well as well. And with Agent Gold, you don't have to do that yourself. Agent Gold directly gives you videos by other creators right here. Boom, these are the videos that performed well with the similar title as well as similar topic. And this is personally what I'm excited for the most, and it's the script outline feature. Let's click onto this. And boom, for this specific title, Transform Your Routine, Ultimate Discipline Tricks, there is an entire script outline that you can copy or that you can regenerate, and then you can use this to make your own video. And truthfully, this makes your video creation process much faster. We also have the feature of description. And boom, a highly SEO optimized description is here. You can directly copy this and then paste it into your YouTube video. And another tool that we have, which is called hooks. And boom, just like this, for this video, Transform Your Routine, Ultimate Discipline Tricks, we have an entire hook with the narrative, so what you speak, as well as the shots. And you can copy this hook like this. And you can also click Analyze Audience. And when you click on to Analyze Audience, what you're going to see is it actually gives you an audience persona, ambitious professionals focused on productivity and self-improvement. And what you can do is you can completely customize this to your liking to get further video ideas for your specific audience type. For example, let's go with this. Moms over 40 who love cooking diet meals. This is very specific. Let's see what Agent Gold is going to come up with. Ideas for audience. And this entire idea list popped up here. Moms over 40 who love cooking diet meals. Ideas for this audience. Boom, boom, boom. All of these videos that you can make. And ideas from other creators with this specific audience. This is how you can get very targeted video ideas for your own audience persona. Let's click next. Now, here's an amazing feature that you didn't know that it existed. What you can do is you can go to Get Inspired By, and then you can enter any YouTuber that you get inspired by. Let's enter Mr. Beast. Boom, we'll click onto his channel. And what pops up is essentially an idea lens through Mr. Beast's lens. What that means is we are getting video idea suggestions like in Mr. Beast style. For example, massive procrastination, win $10,000. 7 days of following a billionaire's schedule. Also, we can get ideas from top videos by Mr. Beast as well as his top videos that he has made. And then let's actually click onto one of these. And just like this, another idea lens popped up, where you can get a script outline, get a description, get a hook, analyze the audience, as well as get more and further ideas similar to this one. And right now we're in the titles from me tool. And what you can do here is you can enter either a full script or a short description, bullet points, captions, or just a simple prompt. And then what happens is Agent Gold gives you further video titles that you can use. So let's try it out together. Let's actually copy and paste a bullet point plan that I have on my Notion. Okay, I have copied and pasted here, and then we click Generate Titles. Now Agent Gold came up with all of these titles that you can copy, that you can favorite, as well as go into similar ideas, which is the idea lens we just discovered. Now what you can do here is you can choose a title from either My Style or Best Practices. So what is My Style? What is Best Practices? My Style is essentially your way of titling things. When you are linking your YouTube channel, we are analyzing all of your data to see how you personally title videos. And then these title suggestions are essentially in your own voice, right? And the best practices is overall what works well on YouTube. And then we hop into the My Videos page. And here we have suggest titles, get timestamps, and generate description. Suggest titles. And boom, it came up with all of these video titles that I can essentially put. So what you can do is you can show an idea page, you can copy this, you can favorite this, and what you can do is you can essentially apply this directly to your YouTube channel. So let's say the moment I click onto here, boom, the title of my video is changed to How I Wake Up at 4:44 a.m. for Peak Productivity. And after that, let's get some timestamps and descriptions for our videos. The moment I click here, what's going to happen is Agent Gold is going to give me timestamps that I can directly apply in my description. And boom, it's here. What I can do is I can copy this, but I can directly apply. And what that means is it's going to show me the current description I have, as well as it's going to show me the new description. And boom, it's all here. And then I'm just going to update the description on YouTube, and boom, the timestamps are done. If you are doing your timestamps manually, that is taking a lot of time for you. It's taking 15-20 minutes for each video, but you can do it here just like this in 30 seconds or less. And then let's also get a description for our video. Boom, I'm clicking here, and then it says generating a description for this video. And here's the description. And what I can do is I can directly copy this and then boom, put this in my YouTube description box. And boom, completed. Let's go.